Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I made sloppy joes. I did a short clip. I made this for my nephew. He came over. I had to have a little bit of left extra meat because I wanted to do a video today. And man, yesterday I made the sloppy joe meat. Oh, so freaking good. I was just snacking out the whole time. It was amazing. I got some fries, a little twist to the fries. I put it in the air fryer. I just chopped up some, or sliced up some, I had an extra bag of potatoes. I'm gonna use them up. So slice some potatoes. This time I added some garlic and a little bit of onion, and I just put it in the air fryer. The garlic I put on top after the air fryer. Yesterday I just put the garlic. I thought I would just do onion because I'm still a little sick, a little congestion. I think onion's good for congestion. And just a Caesar salad. All right, let's try sloppy joes. You guys will get the first bite. Really good. I love this bread. It's Dave's Killer buns. Oh yeah, look at all these seeds. That makes it, the bread makes it so good. Amazing. I added some bell pepper and onion. I chopped up the night before, so I wouldn't have to rush it, after work. I could add a little more onion and green pepper, bell pepper. It's not bad. Let's try some of these fries. Not bad. A little healthier than I think frozen fries. Tastes better too. Try some of the Caesar salad. A few subscribers have told me that after they watch my videos and eat a salad, they crave a salad. I love a salad with my dinners, if I can. Sometimes it doesn't go with a dinner, but if it does, I'll try to have a salad. Do you guys have dinner with a salad or no? So yeah, this is my first video when I came back from my Thanksgiving trip. And I came back kind of tired, but I definitely feel rested and more energy. I started to kind of clear the clutter at my house, so when I do move, it will be less stress, less to do. With working 2 jobs, I won't have a lot of time to do much packing, but when the time comes. And Monday, there was like Cyber Monday deal, and there was an air fryer that was on sale, and I decided to I got a new air fryer. I'm so excited. I'm looking at the box right now. I'll probably open this weekend, have more time. The brand is called Chef Man, and it's really cool. It's much bigger than my other air fryer. My other fryer is just very small. You could put like maybe a mini pizza. That's how big. You can't put very much in there at all. This one has 3 trays, which is cool. If I want to cook for my nephew or make a lot of food, it's just really hard. And also, this one is a see-through window, which is really cool. You could also do a rotisserie chicken. It's a dehydrator. It has a lot of different options. I've checked out reviews on YouTube and Amazon. Both are great reviews. Some people have said it's the best air fryer they ever had, so I'm super excited. It was 43% off. I think it was about $80 or $90. So I decided, because I get the great reviews, I'm just gonna get it, and I'm gonna test it out this weekend, probably. I'm excited. So I also want to talk about in this video about moving plans. How am I moving? Where am I moving? You know, a few subscribers wanted to give you guys updates. So this video will be updates. So yeah, I decided, my plan a few weeks ago was maybe to work a little bit extra hours on the weekends at Walmart. And so instead of 6 to 10, 4 to 10, I think that would have me, I think a little over $200 a month extra, which would be cool. So a lot of places that I apply at want 3 times the rent. Some want 2.5, but a lot want 3. So it would help me qualify for a better apartment, or maybe it would help me qualify for a bigger apartment as well. So also be good to save money for the deposit, because that would cost me about, I think I averaged the deposit will be at least $3,800 deposit and first month's rent. The deposit and first month's rent, like right away, like a big check for that. That's a lot, like. So I'm gonna save money for that. But then I just thought, what if I worked on Wednesday nights? What if I added an extra shift? 6 to 10, just 6 to 10. So that's 5 days a week. Guys, I can make $500 extra a month if I added the Wednesday evening shift. And also the weekends 4 to 10 instead of 6 to 10. I was like, and I was telling my coworker about that, because he also has a second job, and he was telling me, do you just want to work a couple hours on the weekends just to get an extra $200? If you want to work more hours, make it worth it. Do more hours and make it worth your while, you know. And he's like, that's what I'm talking about, Karen. $500 a month, that's worth extra hours. 500, that's a big, what can you do with that extra money, you know? And okay, and so you guys might be thinking, oh my God, 5 days a week? You're talking to me about, like, I think it's gonna be 24 hours a week. So sorry, I am kind of cutting a little bit. My cough is back. It was fine, but my nephew came over. We started talking a lot, and I think I was irritating my throat. I don't know, or my lung. I don't even know what was going on. I got something called clear lungs that I helped in the past. So the more I talk, the more it irritates my throat, I guess. So here's my plan. I want to do this schedule. I might do it in January, because December is just so much going on with Christmas, and I get stressed about, there's just a lot going on with the Christmas, and I always get extra tired around the holidays. So my plan is, I think I might start in January, and I think I want to do it. Once I have this schedule, I will get an apartment pretty fast, probably within a couple months, because I'll be making more money, and I'll just have more confidence I can actually get an apartment easily, you know. And I won't have to be concerned about money, and I don't know if I can afford it, or how much is the PG&E going to cost me, you know, like the electric bill. And so I use the space heater sometimes all night long, so that's pretty good. So I want to do this for 6 months, 4 to 6 months. We'll see how my body takes. And then after that, I want to just request Sundays off. And I'm sure they'll okay it, because a lot of cashiers, some cashiers even have the whole weekend off, but you're not supposed to. I don't even know how they got away with it. But some cashiers have Saturday and Sunday off. I only work 3 days a week. I'm working, so I'll start with 5. Then after that, I want to work my schedule. I want to be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and I'll have a whole day off Sunday. That's the end result. That's the end goal, and that's my plan. I'm just waiting to get better, because this cough is driving me crazy. So yeah, I'm getting excited about my new plans, my new goals, and new apartment. Mm. So yeah, I did this before when I was with my sister. I really wanted to move out, and I was working at Hobby Lobby. I was getting no hours, so I quit that. I quit that job and got a job at Walmart, and I had way more hours than I needed. I was so tired, but the end goal was to get the apartment, and I did. I remember like first week I was having back pain, and I came home to my new apartment, and I took a bath. Oh my god, it was so amazing. My back felt so much better in the hot soapy water. Oh my god, my back felt so good. I was like, I told myself, this is worth an apartment. This is worth extra hours for this apartment. Because at my sister's house, I didn't have a bath. So now I was actually thinking about working more hours anyways at Walmart because I feel like I can do it. 16 hours a week is not that many hours. And my day job has a second job, and he's working 25, 30 hours a week. My other co-worker, my day job, he's working 2 full-time jobs. So I can definitely do it. Yeah, so I'm excited. You know, I have there's a reason why I work in 2 jobs. I mean more hours to get a better apartment, and yeah, I'm actually excited. I'm thinking about in January maybe. It's so weird. My cough was worse. It was getting better. I don't know if it's because of the sloppy joes. Would that make my cough worse? I don't know why. I was getting better. Not anymore. I also was taking some medicine to clear my congestion, and I stopped. So maybe I need to retake it. Yeah, but anyways, I can't wait to use my new air fryer. That should be fun. I wonder what I should make next. My new air fryer. Pizza, chicken strips, hot dogs. Just because it was something easy. Sausage. Maybe a pizza. You just want pizza. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.